A good pair of safety glasses offers a wide range of features. They're designed to protect from various hazards like dust, splash, and grit, and the right glasses will always provide a clear view of the surroundings. Hi, I'm Armand from RX Safety, and today I'm going to show you the best non-prescription safety glasses you can find in the market. Having the best pair of glasses is always a good idea, particularly if you're a worker. Whether you work in a warehouse or on a construction site, your eyes need to be protected. The Warden safety glasses are a protective, non-prescription frame that offers the security you need. With the sleek wraparound style, it fits comfortably on your face and provides lateral protection. Made of high-quality TR90 nylon, it has a rimless design that keeps the frame lightweight yet durable. Also, its rubberized temples help your glasses stay secure in any environment while offering more comfort. Checking for ANSI Z87 certification is an important step before purchasing a pair of safety glasses. This standard guarantees that the glasses meet rigorous industry safety standards and will indeed provide the protection you need. The Warden safety glasses that I just showed you, as well as the other frames that I'll present today, all meet this important safety standard. Next, we have the Phillips PSG-SP16 safety glasses. These lightweight safety glasses are manufactured in an oversized frame that comfortably fits over most standard prescription eyewear. It also has symmetrical ventilation technology, allowing for cool air to enter and exit, which keeps the lenses from fogging. In addition, the bent temples provide a comfortable fit that will make it stay in place exactly as you need it. The best safety glasses are also affordable, and the DirtyHog safety glasses are a great alternative. This protective rectangular frame has a sleek wraparound style that fits comfortably on your face. You don't need side shields for the DirtyHog because the lenses provide built-in lateral protection. Also, rubberized temples and nose pads help your glasses stay secure in any environment. All these options and many more are available at RX Safety's amazing collection of safety glasses. Once you've chosen the best pair of safety glasses, you can rest assured that your eyes are protected. If you have any questions about our safety glasses, leave a comment below or contact us at rxsafety.com.